To solve negative 7x plus 7 is equal to 35, we first need to zero out any extra terms. To figure out what extra terms we have, we need to keep in mind that we're working to v equals c. That's what it needs to look like. So we have a negative 7x, that's a variable term. Positive 7 is a constant term, and that's equal to 35, which is a constant term. So we have a v and a c on the left side, and just a c on the right side. So we find that this constant term is extra. If we have a positive 7, we're going to cancel it out by taking the inverse. So I'm going to subtract 7. If I subtract 7 from the left side, I need to subtract 7 from the right side. 7 take away 7 is a 0. So on the left side, I only have a negative 7x left. Bring down the equal sign, and on the right side, we have 35 take away 7. That is 28. We've zeroed out extra terms. We have v equals c. So now we need to get our variable coefficient to be a 1. Right now it's a negative 7. The way we can get to 1x is by taking negative 7x and dividing by a negative 7. When we take a number and divide it by itself, we get a positive 1. So we always divide by the coefficient, the number next to the x. If we divide the left by a negative 7, we're going to divide the right side by a negative 7 as well. So we have a 1x left on the left, and on the right side we have a positive divided by a negative. Multiply and divide rules say if they're different signs, we're going to get a negative. 28 divided by 7 is 4. So 1x is equal to negative 4, or you could say x equals negative 4. 1x and x mean the same thing.